Alright guys, so two things. Stickers came in today, so these would be the new stickers for the camp out. Can you see them? Can you see them? Alright, so I have these for the camp out. And our tent came in. So we're going to see if we can get all that together. So we'll probably speed through this, but if you like it, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and we're going to try the budget version. It's called... So we're gonna get this put together. So it all comes in a big bag like I just showed you. Comes with red sticks, black sticks. Clones putting together the red stick with the black stick. Quality work, so hard to find these days. Cheap labor is easy to find, but cheap labor does cheap work. I'll pay her in potatoes. Instructions are rather vague, but I know the red rods go through the red parts of the tent. I've seen enough Lone Rider videos to know that. So. Looking for doors. No need for that. I'm not even sure what. Okay, so that's the motorcycle door. All right. Well, I guess we're gonna shove a stake through and see what happens. I'm sure it'll just like form itself right up.
Be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss.
Get it in the Chevy hole. Without stabbing yourself in the heart. Because that's money. And my insurance will go up. Alright.
To be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it. Wish I knew.
Yeah, that's fine. Just whatever you're doing, keep doing it. That's falling. Aren't you holding? These were clipped earlier. Well, like we said, the instructions are very vague. We'll get back to you. This one looks fine. Okay, so that's how it's supposed to be. Some stakes. All right, so as you can probably kind of see, this thing takes up a lot of acreage, and we don't even have the front ends stretched out and staked yet. So easy to put up. Once you figure out how it goes, it's not that hard. There's another piece that goes on the inside that we haven't even clipped in yet, but that's actually probably gonna be the easy part. So I guess we'll let's get to that, I guess. Door, top. So, in case you don't know, I'm trying to find the doors where I can figure out which side faces forward. So this could be a door. I'm 99% sure this is the door and this is the top. Okay. Guess we'll find out. Alright, so what I'm trying to do, I figure since there's the same number of these as there are of these, I figure I'll just start hooking these in and hope it's not backwards. Maybe. Now, so is this something I would probably do at 2 o'clock getting to the campsite, being tired? No, I'd probably just sleep on a park bench until somebody could help me out. So I don't know if the back and front are identical or if there's a difference. I don't think there is yet so far. Okay, I've just figured out. So these pockets, I am sure go on the inside of the tent. So I'm gonna flop these around. Well, that's the only way to find out. Now I know. You gotta try, I guess. So the side that has the little net pockets goes on the garage side of the tent. Click into the bottom there. I think there's another one on that side. Okay, maybe not. Well, I guess that's another indicator of which side it goes on. All right, it is there, and go up. Amazingly, this side fits better. On this side.
You're not being very nice.
I'm being totally nice.
You're not.
All right. A few more things on this side. this one out. Give me 2 more steaks. We're still gonna have our lights at the camp out, but I don't think we're really gonna need them. I don't think it'll be really too hard to find our tent. But lights are a tradition, so. All right, and so there we have it. Now let's have a Cribs edition version of Welcome to My Wolf Walker. Give me 2 more steaks. Steak, Sophie. My helper keeps walking off. I'm not sure what's going on with her. I'm not paying her tonight. 2 more steaks. So yeah, my whole yeah, even my big bike I think will fit in here. I can't really give away the the size of this thing, but it's freaking huge. And then, yep, this will be much easier to get in and out of than our tent was at last year. That's a lot of room. I'd say probably 7 foot by probably 8 foot. That's a big footprint right there. That's bigger than the 3 foot by 6 foot we had at Forgotten Angels last year. That's a big tent. So yeah, as long as we don't have any windstorms, and if it rains, I think that'd be a great thing because it's actually double isolated. We have this cover on top of another tent, and there is lots and lots of room. So I think I'm gonna be pretty happy with this to get back in the sun. So yeah, I'm gonna be pretty happy with that one. So well, there it is. There's the Wolf Walker tent. We're gonna, now that we've spent all this time putting it together, we're gonna bag it up and put it back inside. So hey, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and I don't know if you've got one of these like this or you want to compare it to a Lone Rider, go in the comments below. All right, see you soon. If you're going to Forgotten Angels, I'll see you there. If not, look it up, ForgottenAngelsFlorida.org. See you there. I guess we'll be bringing some grass to Florida because we couldn't get it all off. So just shoved everything into the bag. Get the bag zips. And then roll the bag. Just roll the top. Should be 2 of these. Yep, one for this side, one for this side. Get them tight. Loosen these off. Over here. And then just squeeze more air out. Well, now we've reduced that big old tent down to this. That's it. All right, guys, now we're done. So I will see you at the camp out.